Oh, I think it finally hit me. Like, yo, I can't stop crying.
3, 2, 1.
So in a couple of hours, I will be on a plane to go follow my heart. Follow my heart. Follow my heart. Follow my heart. On a plane to go follow my heart. Alright, y'all. So y'all know we have to do a video, like an official YouTube video, like while I'm here. So now I gotta figure out which one.
Since the tiny house, basically Nikki and I arrived back.
I know a lot of people whose husbands don't cook for them. Look at this. Maybe some curry, shrimp, and chicken.
It's like 7 a.m.
I love my man. So, truth or drink is when it's like a truth or dare, but instead of, if you don't want to answer the question, you basically have to take a shot. And then the kissing challenge, where you put like some sort of food or different things on your lips, you have to kiss it and try to guess what it is. Basically, you're blindfolded, and the other person has to guess what it is. Okay, we got 4 options of videos that we're gonna do. The people are gonna choose which one. Couples video.
Baby.
Fucking stop it, you sexy black king, yo.
Yo, listen to me,
Fuck
man.
you.
My belly, I got to.
No. Speak. Speak talk to me, baby. Speak it to me. Okay. To vote on which video you want us to do. But there is one that we're definitely going to do, which is Babe is going to teach me how to speak patois. So we're going to do the one with the patois, and then we're going to do one additional one. And you guys have to pick that one.
Yeah, man, for real.
Yeah, man, for real. Blood clot.
Yeah.
What me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ira. Yeah.
Yeah, no, what's that?
See this straight island water, flavored water. When they speak patois, I just be sitting there like, so in love. It turned me on. See? I mean, you're not in love. Well, my people. Worst part of the day. I'll take you leaving me. For Christ's sake, Snapchat, give me the goddamn update where I can just hold the button down and it continuously records. Please, please. Come on, this is annoying. So the people have voted, and Babe is gonna do my makeup later.
So I have to do your makeup.
That's the challenge that we got voted for.
I'm gonna do your makeup.
Yeah.
Paint her face.
This shit, they said it's gonna be mad funny. And it is, because you don't know what the fuck is happening. I'm gonna be so spoiled. He don't want me to do nothing. He just want to put all the groceries in the car, pay for all the groceries. So I'm gonna do the pineapple boat today. And I'm about to season it and get it cooking too. My little friends are back. Hey guys. Got more rice for you. Listen, I'm gonna need y'all to not be coming up in the house though. Can I get some space? Alright, that's what I thought. Thank you. Look at my little friends. I'm giving them some rice. Yo. Yo, this man hate fucking animals. Yo. I'm gonna warm up the rice. Animals are people too, baby. They deserve respect, not to be cooked all the time. He got mad because I warmed up the rice. Chicken is in the pot. What? Seasoning, of course. I'm gonna brown the chicken. I cut these little squares with the knife. Basically, I'm gonna scoop the pineapple out now. These are mad good though. So I got the honey barbecue. I'm gonna let that simmer.
Watch everything my do last night. It's good. Thank you.
Coming home, being mad at shit, and bringing that shit home. That's not okay. Like, whatever happened to you today, I didn't do it. And I try to make you feel better when you come home and have shit cleaned and ready and be nice. He, like, kept that fucking attitude, so we went out the house and did a few things. And now I came home to eat, and he want to go back out and do some more shit. He still got a fucking attitude. And I'm just like, I'm not going with you when you have a fucking attitude. Like, I'm good. I don't want that energy. Stop with that shit. I don't want to be around nobody that have a fucking attitude or have bad energy going on. Like, I just don't. I don't give a fuck who you are. Fucking begging me for like 10 minutes to get him to come. To get me to come with him to go do whatever the fuck he gotta do. I'm not going, yo. I'm not fucking going. He talking about, oh, when I come back, you better not say nothing to me. All right, we're gonna be two silent motherfuckers in here. Trust me, I am the petty queen. See, when he come back, he gonna be the first one in my motherfucking face trying to kiss me. I bet you.
Yo.
He said he wasn't gonna talk to me, and here he is talking to me. Tell you today, baby, don't let people what? What?
I don't remember.
Oh my God! Tell you, don't let people steal your energy.
Okay, that's all.
Good vibes on me, baby.
Alright,
Seriously, I'm not playing. You come home mad, I'm leaving. Jesus Christ, yo. Look at my pumpkin. Yo, last night something jumped in the window. Not in the window, but like on the window or something. Somewhere near the window. That shit scared the shit out of me, yo. Like 1 in the morning. It had to be like a rooster or a cat. Because like it ain't no real animals around here besides that. And that shit was so loud I thought somebody was trying to break in. And I sleep by the window, so all I heard was and I'm just like, what the fuck was that? And he just laying there like, that good old PTSD for you. I keep forgetting I'm not in the hood and niggas don't do shit like that over here, like in the middle of the night try to break in your house. It's like, really? Fucking animals? Like in the middle of the night, y'all just gonna go by the window and start making noise and shit? Like, really? This what y'all gonna do? For some reason, I don't sleep good the last couple of days. Like, I don't know why. I just can't sleep good. I keep waking up, tossing, turning. Yay, my daddy. He's here. My daddy's home, yo.
Tired.
Making life plans right now. The next 12 months is serious.
Shit going on.
Yo. January 2018. Alright, baby. So, January. What are we gonna do? Come on. Every time he touch my face, I'm gonna fucking record him. And he hates when I record him digging in my fucking face.
Can't do that, man.
Yo. Fucking stressing me out, yo. For real. Oh, God. Stressing. You got 1 hour of TV and then you going to bed. Because you got to get up for work in the morning. Take it off.
Chill on, man.
Take it off.
Chill on.
Take it the fuck off. Take it off. Take it the fuck off. You mad, babe?
I'm a bed man going on.
Babe, you mad?
No.
You still love me? I had a dream that somebody was threatening to kill me, babe, and you didn't even save me. Yo. Sleep is for people who are broke, babe. Go and get our money. You think popcorn sleepy? I'm not sleep. So, I'm having breakfast. Then I'm gonna clean up thoroughly. Then we're gonna do something. Shit dead took like 2 days to fucking download. Like, this is how slow the fucking internet is over here. Sheesh.